So on the last video, I went over the web scraper where you were only allowed to enter one company name at a time, and then it'll go into the Google search and search whatever company name you put, and then it'll record the market cap for that specific company name. Now on this video, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to convert our previous script into a for loop so you could enter hundreds of company name in one shot, and then it'll record, automatically go to the website, and then search for the market cap for however many 100, 200 companies that you put in, and then it'll record their market cap onto a separate spreadsheet automatically for you. All right, and I did import all the libraries that we're going to be using on this one, and then we will be naming a new frame, data frame, and then we're going to start our for loop. Actually, before we go ahead and do this, we're going to read our spreadsheet. So Alt Enter, and then we're going to say companies equal PD pandas read.excel. And then whatever spreadsheet you decide to use as your company name folder, company name spreadsheet, you're going to go ahead and go to info and then copy path and then paste it here. And then you could probably just go ahead and see what it's bringing in. Okay, so it's doing its thing, exactly what we wanted, and then go ahead and declare the new data frame and companies. We're going to go ahead and put the name, which is the column name that we want to target, and then search. And I showed you guys this one on the previous script, basically this portion right here, and then market cap of names. And then same thing I showed you guys, whenever you do search it, you should have the URL and copy till the equal sign, paste it here, and then you're gonna go ahead and put this. Search that we've just created. And then the request. URL. And then the soup. And then we're going to be parsing it, just like we did on the last video, and update update equal so find underscore all div and then I showed you guys where to get this, so I'm going to skip over that, just copy and paste it from the previous script. First underscore result equal update 0. Div, and then change it into a text format, and then we're gonna do the new frame, just calling our data frame and appending it. With whatever we just looked up. You can name it differently if you want. And these are basically your column name, that whatever your column name you want. So you see market cap and names. These are your destination column names. So name it as you would like. And then I talked about it on the last video that we're going to be using try and except clause. Try, there you go. And the reason we put this try and accept block is because whenever you search a company name on this Google search, and if it does have this standard view, this code will work. But as soon as it'll find one of the company name that does not have this standard view, let me show you what I mean really quickly. For example, AT&T, right? If you put market cap of AT&T here and then press enter, actually that's not a good let's just say State Farm Insurance. So market cap of State Farm Insurance. Okay, so when you put market cap of State Farm Insurance, for example, it doesn't come up with that standard view. So then this code will not know what to do and it'll just stop there. But if you include this try and accept block and then tell it what to do whenever it doesn't find something, then it'll continue to loop through the next set of company names. So that's the reason why we're adding this clause here. Append, and then you're gonna say not found, and then names, and then we want to print the data frame. Okay, let's hit it. All right, So as you can see, the data frame is ready here. Now we're going to have to write it back to a spreadsheet in a CSV format. So we're going to be using the pandas library for that. New frame. That's our data frame there. And then columns equal, we want our columns to be named market underscore cap, and then names, CSV, and then name your file, whatever you choose to do, and then that should do it. CSV index equal false. UTF stack 8. So now, well, I already have one download, so I'm gonna delete this. Okay. Okay, so now that we have this and then this done, if I go ahead and hit run, it already created a market cap folder for us. And if you open it, it should have all the company name with their corresponding market cap. And this is all done automatically in a matter of seconds. It went through the Google search, looked for the number that I showed you guys, for example, Walmart, and then picked this number up and recorded it for you. So I hope you can use this script and manipulate it for whatever other web scraping adventure you want to take on. And if you have any questions regarding this, feel free to ask me. I should be able to help you out, and I'll try to help you out as much as I can. And the link to the video tutorial for the first part should be in the description. So go check that out before you go through this tutorial, because I did went through one example step by step, and then I basically just converted that into a loop function on this one. So I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.